Zundamon here! Today we are not just cooking. We are studying, understanding, and mastering Katsudon. This is a full 1-hour deep dive into Japan's most dangerous comfort food. If you stay until the end, you'll understand Katsudon better than many restaurants. Let's begin! Katsudon is short for tonkatsu bori, fried pork cutlet over rice, cooked with egg and sauce. But culturally, it's more than food. In Japanese, katsudo sounds like win. That's why students eat katsudon before exams. It's food that says, you did your best. Sit down. Eat. This mindset affects how we cook it. Katsudon is kind food, not flashy food. Many people outside Japan say, I followed the recipe, but it's not right. Why? Reason 1, eggs are overcooked. Reason 2, sauce is too salty. Reason 3, cutlet turns sahi. Reason 4, rice is wrong texture. Katsudon punishes impatience. If you rush, it knows it us. Pour coin is traditional, but shoulder works if you pound it. Thickness matters more than cut. Too thin, dry. Too thick, raw. Eggs should be room temperature. Cold eggs shock the pan and cook unevenly. Katsudon needs rice that absorbs but doesn't collapse. If your rice is dry, Katsudon fails. Onion is sweetness, aroma, and emotional warmth. If you hate onion, useless. But don't remove it completely. This sauce is the soul. Japanese cooking uses balance, not power. Salt soy sauce, sweet mirin or sugar, yumari dashi or stock. If one is missing, Katsudon feels empty. Prod it. Taste sauce slightly stronger than final goal. Eggs soften everything. Meat prep. Pounding breaks muscle fibers. Scoring fat stops curling. Small actions, big results. Breathing. Flour sticks set, egg sticks, kanko. Tanko taps air crunch. Frying 170°C is not tradition. It's physics. At this temperature, water escapes. Oil stays out. After frying, rest the cutlet. Steam is the enemy of crunch. Resting lets steam escape. If you skip this, sauce will destroy the crust faster. Onions also. Simmer gently. Don't boil violently. Cutlet timing. 30 seconds per side max. Cutlet is not swimming. It's visiting. 3. Science. Egg proteins tighten with heat. That's why we use residual heat to stage port extra control. Rice first, then cutlet and egg. Never mix everything beforehand. Presentation affects taste perception. Your brain eats first. Too salty. Dilute with stock. Too sweet. Hot soy dashi. Sogi. Hot and simmer time. Eat hard. Turn off heat earlier. Katsudon teaches humility. Cheese tsudan exists. Spicy katsudon exists. But remember, classic comes first. Break rules after learning them. Katsudon is not fast food. It's not luxury food. It's food for tired people. That's why it must be gentle. If your Katsudon feels aggressive, slow down. If you watched all 60 minutes, you are officially Katsudon family. Tight, pale ones. Try again? That's Japanese home cooking. Zundamon out. See you next bowl. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.